And there it is. The funds have landed and our balance is shining bright. Hey there, my friends. Buckle up because I'm about to unveil something truly exciting, a fantastic Telegram bot that makes navigating a game like mine's an absolute breeze. First things first, we kick things off by typing the classic /start command. Boom! A welcoming message pops up, guiding us straight to the action. Our next step, open the game itself. Just tap right here. And yep, there it is, ready for us to conquer. Now, what's next? Hit that shiny continue button, and a set of clear step-by-step instructions appears like a treasure map, leading us to victory. To proceed, we need to input some specific details. No worries, it's super straightforward. Head over here, click this button, and grab the data we need. Copy it, paste it into our Telegram bot, hit send, and yep! A detailed guide unfolds, laying out exactly what we need to do, step by step. Let me walk you through it live. We click this button and bam! Our first signal arrives like a spark of inspiration. So what do? We hop into the game, start with a modest bet of 2, and follow the bot's brilliant instructions to place our diamonds strategically. And guess what? The screen lights up with our first victory. How thrilling is that? Let's keep the momentum going. Next up, we grab the next signal. Time to place our next bet. Feeling bold? You can double it and dive right in. Place your diamonds here, here, and there. And yes, another dazzling win. Folks, it's crystal clear. Stick to the bot's instructions and you're on a winning streak. Let's roll on to the next one. We keep going and boom, another victory. Absolutely spectacular. But hold on, as we reach for the next signal, we hit a little roadblock. Our signal limit is tapped out. No stress, though. We've got options. You can go for 100 or splurge on 1,000. My pro tip? Go big with 1,000. It unlocks unlimited signals, opening the door to endless possibilities. Here's how we make it happen. Any top-up will do the trick. Just click here, select Fill, choose your network, and copy the deposit address that pops up. Now, head to your wallet, hit Pay, and make sure to select the same currency and network. Super important to avoid any mix-ups. Paste the address, enter 1,000, and double-check that the amount covers the network fee. Confirm the transaction, and you're golden. Now, we play the waiting game for a moment. You can hit the refresh button to check the status, and there it is. Everything's processed perfectly, and we're now in unlimited mode, ready to dominate. Here comes our next signal. Feeling adventurous? Let's bump the bet to 200 and place those diamonds with precision. Set, set, set. And yes, another win. The excitement just keeps building. Let's go again. Place those diamonds here, here, and there. Oh, wow, that was a close one. My heart was racing. Victory was in our grasp, but defeat was lurking just around the corner. Phew, we made it! A quick reminder, take your time, stay sharp, and avoid any costly misclicks. Trust me, you don't want to lose those hard-earned points. This system is pure gold, simple, effective, and oh so rewarding. We follow the signals, place our diamonds exactly as shown. Here, here, and here. And what do we get? Another glorious win. The pattern is clear and the victories keep stacking up. Let's grab the next signal. Stay focused, place carefully, and press. Yes, another triumph. All right, I think we've crushed it for today. What an incredible run. Now, it's time to cash out. Select Withdraw, enter a solid amount, let's say 4,500, then pick your address. Head to your wallet, choose the network, copy your address, paste it into the app, and hit Continue. The request is sent, and look at that. It's processed. The balance updates, but let's double check. Head to your wallet, refresh the page. Still processing? No problem. Give it a second. Refresh again. And there it is. The funds have landed and our balance is shining bright. So there you have it, folks. The address of this phenomenal bot that's been my secret weapon for racking up wins with these genius signals. Want to join the fun? The link is right here for you to explore. Thank you all for joining me on this thrilling ride. Until next time, keep shining.